Starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. What He sees cannot be seen. What He creates cannot be created. Honorable Chief Guest, venerated Director, respected teachers, and the shining stars of Sims Secondary School, Assalamu alaikum. Today I have to talk on the topic, is man shapes society or society shapes man? Dear listeners, the relationship between society and individuals is a dynamic one, and it's often challenging to determine whether society shapes a man or man shapes society. Both aspects influence to each other in a continuous and interconnected manners. But in my opinion, man shapes society. Because the existence of society is the result of human evolution. So man can change, shape, and mold a society. As Allama Iqbal said,